sisters and brothers of Tamil Nadu, I understand that DMK and Congress have no real agenda to talk about, but they should control their lives because people are not foolish. Congress and DMK keep showing themselves to be the only protectors of Tamil culture, but the fact suggests something else. Let me take you back. In the year 2011, UPA was in power in Delhi. DMK had big ministries in the center. The same UPA government banned Jallikattu. One UPA leader described Jallikattu as a barbaric practice. Really? Is that the word you use for something that is part of Tamil culture for centuries? Barbaric practice? In 2016, the Tamil Nadu Congress manifesto called for a ban on Jallikattu. Congress and DMK should be ashamed of themselves. In 2016-2017, the common people of Tamil Nadu wanted a solution and wanted Jallikattu to continue. I could sense their pain. Our government then cleared an ordinance brought by the AIDMK government in Tamil Nadu which allowed Jallikattu to take place. Congress and DMK have mastered the art of not working and then spreading lies about those who actually work. A classic example is the issue of AIIMS Madurai. In their many years in power, Congress and DMK did not even think about it. It was our government that brought AIIMS here. This AIIMS will also have a state-of-the-art infectious disease block. I assure you all that this project will be completed as per the proper processes. It will ensure quality healthcare, treatment for people of the region. One more example of the all lies, no work attitude of Congress and DMK is the issue relating to the Devendra Kula Velalar community. They prefer to keep the issue hanging for several long decades. It was the AIDMK government in Tamil Nadu and the BJP-led government in the center that worked together to ensure dignity for the Devendra Kula Velalar community. DMK and Congress will not guarantee either safety or dignity for you. The law and order situation will suffer under them. DMK tried to make peace-loving Madurai a mafia den just because of internal family complication in DMK first family.